In a new video, Zach from JerryRigEverything takes on the formidable Samsung Z Flip 7. He successfully removes the display, noting the difficulty of the task due to the design's complexity.
And it's dead.
After the screen, the teardown reveals a loincloth of sorts between the screen and the hinge, which has already collected quite a lot of dust. Once inside, the Zach finds two batteries, both labeled secondary, which total 4,300 mAh.
25 milliamp hours, we get a total of 4,300.
The motherboard is a double-stacked unit, and the main camera lens showcases its impressive optical image stabilization.
You can see that it's a double-stacked unit.
The final reveal is the redesigned Armor Flex hinge. It's more complex than previous versions, featuring 4 sets of gears and springs on each side.
Armor Flex hinge. Samsung says it's more drop-resistant than the previous design.
Well, that's around 9 minutes saved. See you next time.